What is up, guys? John from Whitley Auto Works here, and I have a massive spray gun giveaway going on right now until July 8, 2026. All these prizes are going to one of you guys, and it is free to enter, or you can pick up additional entries by getting a combo pack. Just go to WHITLEYAutoWorks.com and click that shining face you see in front of you holding the big combo pack. You'll get one free entry, and you'll get an additional entry for each combo pack you buy. You'll get a sticker and a random pearl. And if you want to enter for free, guys, just go to the main page, click the giveaway button, put your information in with the email and name and everything, and you automatically enter for free. Any support you give is greatly appreciated. And now let's get into the episode. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we'll be jumping right back into our Rust-Oleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun Rust-Oleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top. We mix them in the paint, just any way we can create a more expensive looking paint job on a budget. It's all about learning different color combinations on this channel, what works, what don't, and just having fun, saving a little bit of money in the process. So today's mix-up matchup is Rust-Oleum Chrome, guys. I haven't done a lot with Rust-Oleum Chrome, but I thought it would be perfect today to try and shoot a gold limelight candy over top of it and create a gold-plated look. I wanted to see if I can accomplish that using cheap Rust-Oleum Chrome. So that's the game plan today. I have a fender prepped up behind me. We'll be shooting it with some Rust-Oleum Chrome and then shooting some candy gold in Finish 1 Clear to see if we can manipulate it and turn it into a gold bar. So that's what we're going to be doing. And yeah, let's put some Rust-Oleum on this fender behind me and let's get into today's episode. Alright, guys, so after the dust settles, we got a very interesting chrome effect. I do gotta say, it's a little tiger stripey, a little blotchy. Yeah, I guess that's just the nature of chrome paint using Rust-Oleum, but we're gonna roll on with it. And yeah, let's mix up some candy and see what we can get. Alright, guys, so I got about 10 ounces total of Finish 1 Clear, because when you're doing candy effects over top of stuff, it takes a few coats to get it. But as far as the candy effect goes, this is Limelight Candy Concentrate, guys. It's a liquid candy additive that you put in a clear coat or an inner coat, mid coat base. And basically you'll see, I'm going to put a little bit in here. Don't take much. And when we mix it up really good, I'll put a little bit more, just for good measure. Most of the time, a big jar like this goes to a whole gallon. So I've only got 10 ounces. But as I get to stirring, you'll look at the side of the cup and you'll see the gold on the side of the cup. And that's what we're going for today. I'm going to see if I can tint this chrome we have behind me and give it that gold-plated look, that gold bar look that a lot of people like to do with emblems. And you see it really popular on lowriders. So there you can see kind of the translucent nature of the gold candy. And I think this is going to be a very, very fun, very cool experiment. There's only one way to find out, guys. Now that we got a little bit of this candy mixed up in this clear, let's put it in the paint gun and let's get to spraying. Well, this is looking very Rust-Oleum chromy. Typically you do these candies over top of a metallic effect, but being that this is a chrome today, I figured be a little something different, a little bit kind of interesting to see what kind of effect we can get. I've got the candy gold loaded up in my Intercraft D1 Drizzle paint gun, guys. It's got a 1.3 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI water per trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, feel free to. We're going to do light but consistent coats because candy is translucent and we want to try and get everything as even and uniform as possible. And yeah, we're going to see where this candy takes us over top of this Rust-Oleum chrome. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. glasses that there be gold in them there heels gold right here, guys. Man, this is actually trippy. Very cool. Chrome gold, guys. I do think my chrome paint's a little blotchy. I probably should have decanted it and shot it through a spray gun so I could get it consistent. But if you're looking to color some chrome, you can definitely use it, and it definitely will work. What do you guys think? This is pretty crazy. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I'm seeing gold. This is crazy. All right, so we got a lot to unpack here. First off, let's start with my Rust-Oleum chrome. I like Rust-Oleum chrome. I think you can use it, but I do think you're going to have to shake up that can very well, stand back, dust your coats on, and dare I say even maybe decant the can, which means remove the spray paint from the can and shoot it through a gun to get a good, consistent effect, because as you're seeing, candy will show everything up under. It's a translucent base, but you could also tint this gold down if you don't like the tone. If you want a more natural looking gold color, you could add some black candy to it and get that deeper, richer, natural looking gold color that some people like on the lowriders and stuff like that. Also, you could do this with colors, guys. There's different candy colors, red, blue. You could create different ones and really make it your own, creating a really cool effect. So all in all, I like this experiment, but it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with the Limelight Candy Concentrates, the paint gun I used today, the mask, any of that type of stuff, it's all in my Amazon store, guys. The link below, ask it on YouTube. You can go there, you can pick it up for the same price I get. It won't cost you any extra, and you get the benefits of Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you found this experiment today I did crazy and fun and everything else, and you like what I do on this channel and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it to notify you every time a new episode drops. And please, before you click away to something else, leave me a quick like and comment rating this fender and tell me what you thought of today's episode. It helps me out tremendously with YouTube's funky algorithm and engagement and everything else. Also, if you haven't already, guys, the massive spray gun giveaway I'm doing right now ends July 8th. That's this Wednesday. Get in those entries, guys. Make sure you buy them sticker combo packs to get the additional entries and load up, because right now I think I got 250 people entered, and I got like 12 to 15 paint guns and prizes and everything else. So the chances of you winning something are very, very good, better than pretty much any other giveaway I've seen on YouTube in a long time. And I don't think anybody's been crazy enough to give away this many guns at one time. Usually it's 1 or 2, but not 12. So yeah, a lot of fun, guys. We're going to go live shortly after it ends, and I'm going to give everything away to you guys, so you don't want to miss it. Make sure you're entered, and I'll keep you updated with that. But I appreciate you all for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.